Okay, you just got your Art Noir tattoo towel dispenser, and you're wondering, where do I put it? Luckily, the Art Noir tattoo towel dispenser can be secured in a variety of places: walls, tattoo stations, or mayo trays. This video will cover tattoo station's high position. For a digital version of these instructions, scan the QR code on the last page of the instruction manual. Let's get started. First things first, remove the dispenser from the box and lay all other items on a flat surface. Inside the box, you'll find the dispenser, hardware, instructions, and divider. The hardware is not needed for this installation. The tools you'll need are 2 number 10 locking nuts, 4 number 10 flat washers, and 2 number 10 2-inch machine flat screws, a screwdriver, and a wrench. You can mount the dispenser on either the 3rd, 4th, or 5th row of holes on the machine holder support bar. The 2 inner holes on the dispenser will line up with the existing holes on the support bar. Thread 2 screws and 2 washers through the top inner holes of the dispenser and machine holder support bar. Add 2 washers and 2 locking nuts onto the end of the screws. Tighten the locking nuts with a wrench and screwdriver. You have successfully installed the Art Noir tattoo towel dispenser. Now let's load it. Take one of your packages of Art Noir tattoo towels and place it inside the dispenser. Take the green divider and place it on top. Place the second pack of towels on top of the green divider and close. Use your index, middle, and thumb to pinch the towels, pulling down to start the dispenser. You are now ready to tattoo.